As we saw in the previous video, a variable in C# must be a specified data type. A data type specifies the size and type of variable values. In this video, I want to tell you very briefly the most used data types. String. The string data type is used to store a sequence of characters, or text. String values must be surrounded by double quotes. Bool. A Boolean data type is declared with the bool keyword and can only take the values true or false. Int. The int data type can store whole numbers. In general, the int data type is the preferred data type when we create variables with a numeric value. Float and double. You should use a floating point type whenever you need a number with a decimal. The float and double data types can store fractional numbers. Note that you should end the value with an F for floats and D for doubles. Characters. The char data type is used to store a single character. The character must be surrounded by single quotes. Done.